Where did that body come?
I don't know where it came from.
I went into it.
Did it fall from somewhere?
I saw it fall up there.
Here, hold it.
I don't like it.
Who wants to hold it? Make a cup. Make your hand into a cup.
Like this?
Yeah.
No, like this.
I don't know. Did it fall from somewhere? Look for a nest. Maybe it fell from a nest.
Maybe it fell up there.
Who wants to hold it?
No.
Hold on. You guys don't want to hold it?
No. No, I want to pet it. I want to pet it. Can we keep it?
No,
No.
we can't keep it. I think it probably fell from a nest.
It's so little. How can it even fall? Dad, we should take a picture.
No. Okay.